To start, drag and drop our logo onto the timeline. Adjust the ratio according to your needs. Resize and reposition the logo. You can also go to the video mask and choose a shape you like. Next, go to the Text tab and add default text. Enter your desired text and customize the text style. Then, move the logo clip to the top layer. In the preview screen, position the logo in the middle of the text, adjust its size, and rotate it to 70 degrees. Now, add a transform keyframe at the beginning of the clip. Move the playhead to 1 second. Make the logo smaller and move it to the end of the text. At the 2-second mark, change the logo rotation to 0 and move it in front of the text. Next, go to the Animation tab and apply a zoom out animation. Move the playhead to 1 second. Click on the text and delete it to the left. Then, apply a wipe left animation under the Animation tab and adjust the duration to 1 second. And there you have it. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.